Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you how you can make spring roll or samosa sheets in two different ways. Trust me, this is super easy and you're going to love the entire process as well. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For our first step, we're going to be needing some all-purpose flour, and I'll be using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Kindly use plain flour as well if that is what you want. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with some salt to taste. The salt is about half teaspoon of salt. Kindly adjust everything to your taste. Okay, now let's stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I'll go in with 3 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil, and after everything goes in, I'll stir everything together once again. And moving forward, I'll also go in with my water little by little until I achieve the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Once again, if you're still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now that we have achieved the perfect dough that we're looking for, let's go ahead and knead the dough for about 1 to 2 minutes for it to become very stretchy and very soft. And after kneading the dough, I'll allow it to rest in a bowl for about 10 to 15 minutes approximately. You really want our dough to really relax itself and also become very soft as well. After extra 10 to 15 minutes, this is what we have. Our dough is looking very soft and perfect. Now all that is left is for us to divide the dough into the sizes that I'm looking for. We're going to be rolling it out, so cut it according to the size that you're looking for. Okay, now after stretching the dough into the perfect size, all that is left is to flour your working surface. Make sure to dust it very well because we don't want the dough to be sticking on the working board. Okay, now use your rolling pin to roll it out until you get to the perfect thickness that you're looking for. Okay, so now let's continue the process until everything is nice and perfect. Once the first one is done, I'm going to set it aside and I'll repeat the same process. Okay, now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now that we are done rolling out the dough, this is the perfect outcome that I have right now. All that is left is to sprinkle a little bit of oil on top of the dough, just the way you see it in your screens right now. Make sure to brush it very well. Okay, alright, so moving forward, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on top as well, and once that is done, I'll place another dough on it and I'll repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And if you're still with me and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so fam, let's work with just 4 layering for now. So moving forward, as you can see, I am rolling out the dough again very well. I want to really achieve a very flat consistency, so make sure to roll out the dough very well. And after rolling out the dough very well, it should come out like this. And so moving forward, we're going to be heating up this dough in our frying pan because we really want to remove the layers one by one. Okay, that is what we want to achieve right here. So on a very low heat, we're going to steam it a little bit. We are not baking it. We're going to steam it a little bit, and after 1 minute we will flip it over for the other side to also steam a little bit. You can also do this process in your oven, but trust me, you don't have to put it on a very high heat. On a very low heat to steam it, and you are good to go. So after everything is nice and perfect, I'm going to use a bowl to shape my wraps very well. You can also remove it right away, but since this is also my first time doing this type of wraps, I needed to be very careful with it, trust me. So for this leftovers, you don't need to throw it away. You can fry it and make chips out of it, or if you don't want to make chips out of it, you can also add a little amount of water to it, blend, and you can use it to make your wraps again. Nothing is going waste right here, trust me on this one. So as you can see, it was very easy to remove it. You just have to make sure to carefully select the edges of the wraps, then you remove it just the way you see it on your screens right now. Very easy and perfect. And so for the first step, I did it in 2 batches. This time around, I want this wraps to become a little bit big, so you need to use a bigger bowl. Okay, and as usual, I'm not going to throw this leftovers away. I'll be blending it and I'll use it for the wraps again. That is the second method I'll be showing you with you. Okay, so let's remove it and set it aside. Super easy. I hope you're going to give this first step a try, and trust me, you're going to love it. If you really want your wraps to really come out very neat and very perfect, then I recommend the first step for you. Trust me, it's super neat and it turned out really amazing as well. Now, if you don't want to stress yourself, if I should say, I really want soft life, and I don't know if this is my first time, I don't recommend doing this every day. I always want soft life. So the second method that I will be sharing with you is my most favorite. Trust me, you can also choose your favorite in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read all the beautiful comments of yours. Now let's move on to the second method, but before that, as I said, I'm going to be blending this with water to form a paste out of it, and I'll be using it for my second method as well. But before, let's mix in some all-purpose flour. I'm using 1 cup since I'm going to be blending another dough to add to this. Okay, and I'll add a pinch of salt to it and also water to make a paste consistency. Kindly add in the water little by little because we don't want consistency to be very runny. Okay, now let's stir until we have no lumps in it as well. Now this is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. It shouldn't be very runny and it shouldn't be very thick as well. Just perfect, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Now all that is left is for us to brush the paste into our pan, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And with this method, you need to also do it on a very low heat because we don't want it to burn quickly. Okay, so after about 30 seconds, the edges of the wrap should be lifting up, or it should have a crispy texture. And when you see that, all that is left is to remove your wraps from your pan and set it aside. It's very easy, trust me. It's self-explanatory, so you just have to watch the video very well and follow the steps one after the other. Okay, so now let me still remind you that subscribing is free, so if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also do let me know what you think about this super easy 2 ways spring roll wraps or sheet recipe. So now let's do this on low medium heat once again until everything is nice and ready. As you can see, as I said, it's super easy and all you have to do is to follow instructions as well, and you're going to end up having a very perfect spring roll sheets at home. All right. Alright, so now this is the outcome of the second method as well. It turned out really amazing and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section once again what you think about this super easy 2-way spring roll wraps. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again and see you in my next upload. Bye.